You are eager to move forward, up, and ahead in your career as an electrician, and you're going through training to help you do so. But are you currently getting the best training available? The training you are currently receiving from Associated Builders and Contractors, Independent Electrical Contractors, or the Harford County Electrical Contractors Association might leave you far short of reaching your goals. Think about it. All of these organizations represent contractors, not electricians. So are they having you learn what you need to know to get ahead? Their training is a far cry from the free, comprehensive training offered by the International Brotherhood of Electrical Workers, or IBEW, Local 24 in Baltimore. Just listen to what some of your peers have to say about the differences.
The first half of the ABC year that I went to, we had a plumber instead of an electrician teaching our course.
It seems like a more professional area here than when I went to IEC. The teacher was like, I might have had a bad teacher. He was late all the time because he worked during the day for a different company. And here, the teachers are in the union with you, so they're your brother, they're here to help you, and it's more personal here too.
I went to Harford Community College. It's a Harford Electrical Contractor Association. They have a lab, but it's not really adequate. It's like from the 60s. And it's not really up to date.
ABC had a trailer, and that's it. They had some of the things that you see up in here, but not everything. They only had maybe like a quarter of the stuff that we have here.
It don't compare to what you learn here. You just lose out on so much there. It's a waste. Here is just so much more.
Through its Joint Apprenticeship Training Committee, or JATC, IBEW Local 24 offers its members the free electrical apprenticeship training that can make the difference for you and your family.
Here, the only thing I have to pay for is my book money, and I can get that money back if I have over 93%. There, you pay for it yourself. You know, some companies do pay for it, but the companies I work for didn't, and it went up to $900 a year.
And we actually have a saying and a program implemented, 93 in the books are free. If any student obtains and holds a 93 average by the end of the year, then they'll return their book money.
The JATC offers 3 to 5 year programs for telecommunications installers technicians, inside wiremen, and residential wiremen, with day school 1 day every 2 weeks that members get paid for, and placement is available at your current level. The Baltimore JATC's 17,000 square foot cutting-edge training center features spacious classrooms and hands-on training labs that offer an environment more conducive to learning than the ABC, IEC, or HCECA setting you are now stuck in as you try to improve yourself.
Nowhere near the same. We didn't have like our own lab the way we have here, individual classrooms. We rented just a little commercial office building, put a couple chairs and desks in there. And it wasn't really set for electrical training, it was just a classroom.
I don't remember having too many labs in the other one, whereas we have labs once a month here. And you know, the facilities is what really makes the difference. You know, the space to do labs and stuff like that.
Here you come in, you sit down, you have resistor board controls, motor controls, pipe bending classes, learn to use different benders and learn how to actually wire switches and lights, and they make sure you know the basics.
What's more, the IBEW's JATC classes are taught by the most qualified instructors, top-level electricians who've been thoroughly schooled to be teachers in a 4-year program at the National Training Institute at the University of Tennessee in Knoxville. And they receive yearly upgrade classes.
The instructors are excellent. They're trained to be able to teach us and to be able to teach us things that they've all been on the job. They all were out in the field and they all know what's going on. If you have a question about something on a job, they're in touch with that because they've been there and they've done that.
JATC training also uses the most up-to-date textbooks available. As a member of IBEW Local 24, a better educational environment can be yours.
And also the day school is a lot better than going at nights, and we get off work and we get paid to do this. So it's a lot nicer.
While in the IBEW's JATC training program, you also will receive regularly scheduled raises, family health care, pension benefits, and a severance and annuity plan, helping to ensure the well-being of you and your family. IBEW Local 24 apprentices are not only trained how to install electrical work, they also learn the theory behind it. As a Local 24 member enrolled in the JATC program, you will also receive training in PLCs, fire alarm systems, process control instrumentation and photovoltaic systems, along with basic electrical construction. This training will put you on a path to being among the best trained, most up-to-date electrical apprentices and journeymen in the country. Ask yourself, does your current training program provide this valuable advantage?
Before I was going to the same job sites, just doing houses, and here we get to do commercial, industrial, and a variety of other things.
In addition to the unsurpassed training, as a Local 24 apprentice, you will not have to seek out your own work or pay rate. You are paid scale for each level of your apprenticeship, for every job you work on, no matter who you work for.
This is an opportunity to come out of high school with a prerequisite of Algebra 1 and to obtain just a higher standard of living, which I did. And I can say that I successfully was on both sides of the fence, both the non-union sector and the union sector, and I knew where I came from.
I would highly recommend that they come check this out for themselves. It's a great program, great benefits, the pay is excellent, the schooling's excellent, it's just all around a great package.
It's not a competition like it is non-union. Everybody's here to work with each other. It's way better. Every day your daily life is better.
I'm doing fine. This is great. Never been happier.
If you're looking for a future, in the electrical business, you're gonna make it. This is where to come.
Come over here as quick as possible. Don't waste your time there, because you're gonna learn a lot more here.
Get career training that will make the difference by contacting IBEW Local 24 today.